So me eat 10 egg. Oh, me if eat 10 egg.
Me never walk.
No matter boil me would have in here.
Me never.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Yeah, me I edit, but Devi, I make dinner for grandma on grandma's birthday. So me have to video this.
Alright.
Shadow mashed potato. And then she got steak here.
And shrimp.
Yeah. And chimpy. Man, so I want this.
I'm trying to cut the onions. I forgot about it.
Oh yes, I put in to just get a little flavor. Okay.
That's what I did the last time.
No.
The last time I just didn't have minced garlic, but I had the onion.
No man, put in there now. This run us a mess up.
I'm not going to.
Put it all in man, so I don't know using all this. Yeah. And look at this one. Look at this one.
This one have a name.
Look at this one.
Who's this one?
That one. That one.
Can you get on my nose?
That one. I ain't seen any nose, baby.
Stop.
Donkey nose, baby.
So what if my nose a donkey nose, what your own skin out nose?
Grandma birthday, grandma in a robe, I just a chill.
Yeah, waiting on my steak.
Right.
She already got breakfast, y'all.
And grandma tune in to King and Shea. Grandma love them.
Big up on yourself, King and Shea.
Yeah, man.
Are the boss.
They're the real deal.
Mm-hmm.
Top shit, you up, get up. Yep, that's you. Top shit, honey. What do you know carries here, honey? What do you know carries here? Leave the wet, leave the pipe.
100. Yeah, see that? Just have one more piece now and you're good, Devi. Two more? You're good then. So 3 pieces of my piece.
No.
1 piece for you and 1 piece for grandma. And then, oh, babe don't eat steak. Baby. You want steak? You don't eat steak, baby.
Why? Because you want my piece of steak?
No. To the one said then 3 pieces of mine and then 1 piece for 1 piece for mommy. That's it, sir. So me no know.
Me no say no. It's okay. They're gonna make him ask all this thing. I'm gonna know what to do with Emmy.
You see she a cuss for food?
Yeah, cuss for food or you trouble me?
You see she a cuss for food?
Me not cuss for food. Are you a cuss for food? Are you plan out dish out the food before the food even cook?
Yes, me tell she miss every moment. You see she start being?
You are dish out the food before the food even cook, and you different food when agree with you. That's the next thing.
Yeah, me not eat none. You know me not eat none. Me salad is
Oh, yeah, what you doing? Oh.
Yes,
me
yes.
go taste it, but me never eat none.
But my film taste is eat. Okay?
I'm gonna get 1 piece of steak or 3 days, I take a pinches, like, you know what I mean?
Mommy, so I cook him come and take out a whole plate of food, plate like this. And he say, oh, just taste me a taste. Lie. It's 2 dinner you want. I tell lie, boy, you taste. You're wicked.
Me no believe that.
Well, believe them, everybody believe.
Believe what?
So you crave them.
Mommy, you find the video where she 10 eggs she want.
Stop tell lie. Me don't want to
10 egg.
You too damn lie. We don't have the clamp things no more?
No. Thing, they have to go use thing over there. You have to use the fork, the big fork, yeah. And drop it on one side.
go on with it.
Don't laugh at me, you know. I'm telling you, I ain't a friend. My name is no friend. All you do is walk and tell lie on me.
Boy,
So me eat 10 eggs. Oh, me if you eat 10 eggs.
me never walk.
No matter boil me would have in here.
Me never walk.
You're acting like a pro.
But you turn up and lie then.
You're acting like a professional. And I love that you watch and learn.
You might fillet the fish.
See
Yeah.
that, guys?
You can't do that, baby?
Yeah, man. Knife of a sharp though. If the knife of sharp, you got to mash up all the fish itself.
Yeah, can I hear it?
Hey, sharp man. So Devi, what you doing with the steak now? Let them know.
I'm pan searing it first on both sides for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven for it to cook.
To cook.
Yeah.
And she do it what they are? Juicy. Yeah, me taste it. You know me not to eat them thing again, but me have to taste the same, you know. Cause me a master chef, so me have to taste and tell them, say, alright, yes, that's ready. That's ready. Right, baby? So, further on in the news, you know what I go on, yeah? Yeah, Devi. So what you doing now, Devi?
About to put it in the oven.
Alright, she said she sear it already. On both sides.
Yep.
Put in a pan now and so she will cover it. And then put in the
In the
oven.
oven on 450.
450.
Put it over right there, already.
Yeah.
Potatoes boiling. When the potatoes done, I'm gonna mash them up and stuff.
And Mama's over here doing the shrimp.
And mommy over
Peeling
here
shrimp.
peeling the shrimp for me, so I can cook them.
Alright.
And grandma's just here chilling.
Keep curling my toe and waiting.
It's so good, man.
Serve this, I would not feel you cook for it.
For real.
I'm cold sometimes, Patty, man.
Yeah. Mama needs to go to work and come home and cook, bro.
Real mother. Real parent.
Tell you.
Because school, because of everything.
Yeah?
She was going to night school and she was like, I can't leave my kids.
Yeah, because sometimes I come home, because I need what's younger then, you know? Sometimes I come home, them girls on sleep, then when he's coming left.
And
Yeah.
now it's not no specific time. I'm just gonna put it in there and keep watching it until
Right.
it's ready.
Yeah, because we don't work off a time and measurement. We just know, we just know the thing.
I read chef boy,
Yeah.
after that.
Yeah. Yes, baby, you had a shimpy.
Yeah, man, peel the shrimp them for Devi.
Yeah.
Me not in the kitchen today, no people, and I just help my daughter. But me in the kitchen today. A chef boy, I never take over today.
Yeah.
Chef boy, I rush, I chill out. Me I chill out.
Me not chill. Me work, you know, me edit. I just come on. Yeah. I just you not do nothing. You can't come out.
Me not do nothing.
Nope.
Me never do nothing for you yet.
Nope.
Now you still here.
Nope.
People never say nothing like this.
That's it, ready?
Why would somebody be with somebody who don't do nothing for them that's this long? You have to be sick. Yeah, Ed. Or delusional.
Yeah, potato ready for masher now.
Just come out there, man.
Yeah, okay.
So you don't know me, I do a little snip here and there. So
Yeah, don't know.
further on in the news, you know. What she told you?
Well, mango, something on your ass.
You know, you know, so what day me realize that Elaine, we watch out one video. I said, yeah, how that looks so. And she said, look how long I tell her for movie, but me never remember. Trust me, me never remember.
Remove the cow.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I do it, man.
What?
I do it now. When I'm done. When I'm done with that, David. I do it for movie. She don't want to hear that, you know, Chara.
I believe you.
I don't.
Yeah, Devi.
I can't like spoon of cheese.
Stir up. Baby, no matter that. Lie you tell for me. Lie you tell.
I'm not one.
Maybe she will do it when she said, exact when she said. Or in Unfree, or in Unfree. Unfree something I work different, something I did a year before Unfree.
You're not gonna put too much of that because I don't want it too spicy. see.
Once me asked him, and we just delay because it's like you have to ask.
That's what we can't deal with. Don't try to sabotage me by doing that.
And after you make it sit a little bit. Or just fling it in the same time.
A matter of fact, I'm gonna make it sit a little bit until the steak cook a little.
Yeah, because I know this easy to cook.
Yeah, it cook fast.
So that's Devi season up the thing. And now this lady trouble me, but to move this and move that. After me fix this, you know, the straight, the right way. Now she move around everything in the living room, and then me have to go move that. She shouldn't move up the living room. Waiting about that.
I shouldn't, but I did.
May I do it for mommy?
Yeah, okay, you're doing it for mommy, but like mommy live here.
She live here for now. Oh, let's go. That good, man. A little piece of them. Yeah. Go mash it now, Devi. I love you mash it.
Mash it.
So I mash it. Now this part finna have my arm hurting.
Alright, just.
You can do it, put your back into it.
Put in a seasoning and something like this.
Into it. You can do it, put your back into it. I can do it, put your into it. Put your back into it. Put your into it.
You used all the heavy whipping cream?
Yeah.
I can use this, right?
Yeah.
Oh, a matter of fact, it's right in my face. My slow self.
Wow.
It's in the door.
Oh.
I'm so done.
So she put in her little thing them and mash it for her because she can't manage them weight there.
Oh, this is expired. I think I checked it. Okay, this is good. I'm so happy I checked it, boy. Our stomachs would have been rolling tonight. Okay, I might just have to put more as I go. No, I'm not going to get some.
Use this.
I was just going to introduce.
More on that. Yeah.
Okay. And I just really need. And that's it for now. Oh wait, let me put some oregano first. Okay.
Yeah.
Grandma just looking.
Her hand them weak.
I don't got no arm strength. I got leg strength though. Yeah. Cause even the outfit I wore yesterday, my coworker, she was like, dang, y'all legs look toned. I was like, girl, cause I dance every day. And that's a lot of potatoes. It's hard to mash it. And I like mashed potatoes with the skin in it. I don't like it without the skin. Dang, body.
That's where most of the fiber is, David.
And to give it a different flavor. Yeah, if I was to mash them potatoes, it would not be that mashed. You'll have lumps in it still.
Not sure. The last time, lumping it for real. soft piece in a tough part.
I think it's good now, Kev.
And they can go and taste it now and go and do your thing and take your time So
Is this the spoon? Where the big spoon at?
It's not
See
quite
that?
there.
Oh.
so further on in the news.
Oh, the pasta.
Yeah. You said that you did it. Take off the cover now.
Take off the top now. It's gonna get juicy. It's already juicy.
Juicier.
Juicier.
Yeah. So melt with the mouth.
Yep. It already smells good. And it look well seasoned.
And she know. Fish shadow now.
Mama, you ain't even come look.
I'm doing something, Debbie. Debbie, you act like I never seen you cook steak.
So?
But she could feel good when you know I come taste it. Yeah.
I'm taking the top so it can get more tender.
Mm-hmm. Let me see.
Because it's like the thicker parts. That's...
Look up. Just wanna go into.
Kev would talk.
Nice, man.
I'm so dead. Mama said, when Kev gets that, it just needs to,
So you don't know further on in the news, so I'll go on again. Look, you're being already.
I should have used a bigger pot, but oh well.
Second one.
They still gonna cook. They sizzling up.
Yeah.
I need to check this steak.
I eat that sizzle? Yeah.
Could stay a little bit longer.
Bad chef, man.
You could stay longer though. I'm gonna put, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
To me, I don't know what you do because your body's lightweight.
Who is hot?
What's that, man? Oven that near, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's better. Thanks.
Yeah. So I guess I want to say everything I cook and what I cook and all, so she done it now and plate it, but that's the rest. You see what I say? Right. And you know I get none of it when nobody come right, you know.